Alright, we want to factor 12x cubed plus 8x squared minus 147x minus 98. Now, my first comment's going to be on a test. I probably wouldn't put a problem that had numbers this big on it, 147, 98, a little bit big. But the idea behind how we do it shouldn't change. First off, we notice there are 4 terms. So when there are 4 terms, we factor by grouping. So we group the first pair, minus, we group the second pair. Now remember, when I put a minus out here, it changes this sign here. So that one becomes a plus 98. Alright, the first group, I can pull out a 4x squared, and left over is 3x plus 2. Minus, and here's where the big numbers become a bit of a problem. Your greatest common factor here turns out to be 49, which is probably not the first thing you would try as a greatest common factor, but that's what it is. And when you pull that out, you get 3x plus 2. Alright, now we know we're in good shape. We're pretty sure we're doing it right because those two things match perfectly. So we write down the 3x plus 2. And then left over, we would have a 4x squared and a minus 49. Alright, now a common mistake that students make is they stop right here. After you factor by grouping, check this one carefully. Sometimes this one will factor more, and in this case this one does, because 4 happens to be 2 squared and 49 happens to be 7 squared. So this fits into our difference of squares formula. So our final answer is going to be 3x plus 2, 2x minus 7, and 2x plus 7. So on the exam, there will probably be a question like this, where you factor by grouping, and then you factor using difference of squares later. But like I say, the numbers at the beginning won't be so big, so it won't be intimidating like this one is. Okay, I hope that helps. Let me know if you have more questions.